All right, so we got this intake horn from a company called Friday Parts. They are an aftermarket and OEM style parts manufacturer and distributor. Real quick shipping on it as well. Wanted to show this off. It looks actually pretty good and not expensive at all. I think this one was right around 65 or 75 bucks. It's TIG welded, it's stainless steel. The flange itself looks relatively flat. So it also comes with a new gasket, a shorter bolt, a nut, and a bracket. We're gonna go ahead and throw this on the belt sander just to check the flatness of this flange. Of major concern, but we went ahead and knocked it down just a tad. See if we can get it to seal up just a little bit better. All right, we got a couple bolts to take off. We need to take off. Busted dude. Don't forget about the center one. So here's one of the biggest reasons to upgrade your intake air horn. You can look at this stock one. It's got like that much space, and there's a little bump there, and it just doesn't flow very nicely, having all this extra volume. Now, even with the intake tubes being two separate ones and this little divider in the middle there, check it out, all powder coated, nice red figure. All right, we got the sensor in, and now we're gonna put our little heating element in. It dropped in first, front to back. So we're gonna snug this up, and then we're gonna go tighten these up. That's tight. That is all she wrote. Bracket there. Nice intake horn with the powder coated red. Looks really nice. Got this all clamped and tightened. But that is the install of the Friday Parts Ram air intake horn. I mean, the install went very smoothly. All right, we are about to crank it up and see. Sounds healthy to me.
Friday Parts, fix it once, fix it right.